Welcome to Learn and Create Code. Today we are on challenge 5. Calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. This seems easier than the previous one. Okay, so I'll introduce a variable sum. We're going to be putting the numbers that we're going to be adding and putting in them in that variable. So we're going to name that variable sum, and then we're going to make it equal to 0 and its initial state, and then we're going to use a for loop for var I is equal to, I is equal to 0. Then since numbers from 1 to 10, so I is less than 11. Okay, put a comma there. Then our I is going to increase by 1 after every iteration, and we're going to come in and add the numbers to that variable sum. So we are going to, for every iteration, we're going to do this sum plus equal I. Okay, sum plus equal. Then when it's done, then we're gonna come in and console dot log. So the semicolon, this one, it will represent the end of a line. If you leave it out, that won't really affect the code, but it is good practice for presentation. Here it's sum. So I did calculate the numbers like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 10, and I got 55. So that's the answer that we want here. So let's see if we get that. Oh yeah, yay, we got that. So this one works. We can also use a while loop, but I'm not gonna go through the while loop. Let me just check their solution, the code copy solution. If it is the same, and it is the same. So meet you in the next one. Bye.